Hey guys, welcome back to the Vera Projects. I ended up buying one of these little mini heat press to do hats, to do things like backpacks, that sort of thing, so I don't have to use the mega machine that I use the t-shirts with. So let me go ahead and open this up, and what we're going to do is we're going to go ahead and place this retro Nintendo 64 onto this backpack that's here, and we're gonna place it here. Okay, so let's go ahead and open up the machine. Alright, so here it is, the mini press machine. It's very cute, very tiny. Okay, so we're gonna plug that guy in. You can use this if you want to, I guess, spray a few things, but I'm not gonna spray anything right now. Here's the instructions: low, medium, high. So we're gonna go to high, so make sure that that actually grips onto that fabric. Overall instructions. Okay, so let's go ahead and give this one a try, see what it looks like. Alright, so I was able to plug this in. I put it at on high because I wanted to be around, 300 or about 260 in heat. So I went ahead and I peeled the printout that I did with my inkjet printer, and now we're gonna go ahead and place this paper on top, which is kind of like a heat resistant paper, and then we're gonna go over it. Okay, all right, so we're gonna go ahead and start going over this slowly. Alright, so this is what it's looking like right now. Make sure you take your time and you keep going back and forth with the press until you get to the point that you could see that it actually became one with the material, right? So now it's perfect, okay? When I first slightly did it, I did it really quick, and there was like all these spots. But then I went ahead and I started taking my time. I started going up and down, checking it, going up and down and checking it. Make sure that you continue to use the paper because you don't want to melt the actual ink in the material. Okay, so the paper helps with that. So let's see, I'm gonna zip this up. I'm gonna have my boy try it on and see how it looks. All right guys, so check this out. This is the backpack for my boy going into middle school, and you can see here what it looks like, the Nintendo 64. He wanted something more unique, so I went ahead and printed it out. We heat pressed it on there, and that's what it's looking like. So yeah, you can create your own backpack with your heat press. With that little tiny one, you can create hats, anything that's small, maybe a small logo on your t-shirt. You know what I mean? You don't need the big, massive heat press in order for you to go ahead and be like, oh, this is exactly what I need. So it's definitely worth getting that little machine for small crafts and sort of things like that. So, hey, I hope you guys liked the video. Go ahead and subscribe. Hit the thumbs up. We're trying to get to 1,000 subscribers, so I appreciate all the support that you guys have been giving us throughout the years. So thank you again. And we'll be coming up with some additional videos in the next few months with other projects that we're working on. Have a good one, and thanks for watching.